Sounded like trash.
My baby girl.
She's Poppy's bug.
A puppy bug.
You're my bug.
Happy bug.
You gotta put the phone so they can see you like that. Hold it like that.
There she is. Put a braid in your hair.
Uh-huh.
Cool. Pretty.
First. Wait,
There she is. My big bug.
a puppy.
She's a sugar bug.
You gotta hold it up.
Look, bud. Grandma's Christmas tree is gone. See, it's all gone.
It's gone.
No.
It's
Yeah,
gone.
Christmas tree's all gone.
Oh man. Yeah.
Uncle Nathan wants to burn it.
Yeah.
Cut me my head.
There she is, Minnie Mouse.
You gotta hold it up.
Me my.
Layla.
Me my.
Layla.
Me my.
They can't see you like that.
See the feeling
You want to show them your Dora puzzle?
is.
Stop it.
Well,
What is it?
It's
Oh,
Dora.
it's a puzzle.
Stop it. Stop it. Hey. Wait,
you gonna show it to them?
uh-huh.
Layla, if you want to call people, you gotta talk to them.
The way it works.
Has she had any problems today?
No.
No.
No, no problem.
Hold your phone down like this. Hold it like that.
My phone.
Yeah.
My phone.
Yep, it's your phone.
My phone.
Your
That's
phone.
the phone.
It's her phone, Emo.
That's
Where's
funny.
Grandma's phone?
My phone. My phone.
That's
Your
your
phone.
phone.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
And my phone.
Yep.
My phone.
Yeah, you'll probably be 6 with your own iPhone.
Mm-hmm.
Negative.
Doing the puzzle?
Mm-hmm.